Hi there and welcome at Smully Art. A few weeks ago I made a video where I redrew a character I found in this sketchbook from 2016, and since then I got a lot of requests to do more of these kind of videos, so we've got the sketchbook back, let's pick out the character and let's start drawing. This time I chose a character more near to the end of the sketchbook. It's a fantasy warrior with a skull mask and an axe. I remember I drew him in the time that Game of Thrones was in full swing, and this character was inspired on the wildlings in that show. I just bought a Pentel pocket brush pen, and this was the first drawing I made using this pen. Brush pens are not easy to use, especially in the beginning, because there is no resistance from the pen, and it requires some practice to master. I'm very happy to revisit this character and to have a go at him with my skill set from 2022. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out some pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. For this illustration I wanted to draw the character in a more dynamic pose in a rocky desert setting. I love these kind of challenges as they clearly show the progress made throughout the years. As progress occurs gradually, we often don't realize how much we have improved. And it's a boost for your motivation when you can see how your style and craft have evolved. I always like to analyze my improvement and also try to define on what specific areas I would like to grow in the future. A lot of artists give the advice to draw every day to improve, and to a certain extent this is true. But if you don't analyze your work and study other artists, you can draw all you want. I'm not saying you won't improve, but it will be very slowly and not efficient. I've learned more by thinking about my art, by analyzing all aspects of it, watching other artists on YouTube and analyzing the artists I like to see how they would do certain things. I'm convinced this will boost improvement more than just drawing every day. Set clear, achievable goals to work towards and work out how to get there, and always practice with these goals in mind. Are you guys interested in these kinds of topics and would you like me to make some videos about it? Going deeper in how to become a better artist faster and how to improve your skills? Just let me know in the comment section. And now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is thinking time. Here we go. Yes, you. Would you like to own a sticker or a print or a t-shirt or a coffee mug with my art on it? Well, from now on, that's possible. I opened a web shop on Redbubble. Redbubble is a global online marketplace for print-on-demand products based on user-submitted artwork. So I upload my art and they will print it for you on a wide range of cool products and gadgets. This way you can get yourself some original designs and support me as an artist at the same time. I've put a link in the description if you want to take a look, but you don't have to if you don't want to. I'm already very honored that you are here watching my video. And you can also support me for free by subscribing to my channel or just liking this video. Now back to making art. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys like this drawing I made based upon this older character of mine. And if you like this kind of content, let me know in the comment section. I have more characters lined up here in my sketchbook. And if you like the video, guys, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you want to help me and this channel even more, please share this content on all your social media platforms. It would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend, my friends. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!